Hello and welcome to another update video on SUI. Just want to give you a quick update because SUI is performing quite well right now. I have covered the larger time frame in the last video, so if you're interested in the bigger picture, check that out. The overall idea here on this chart is that we should see some further upside continuation on this chart. The price broke recently here above the upper boundary line of the trend channel, so I can remove that now. And we're currently fighting this previous swing high that formed here on the 12th of May, which is located at $4.30. So price is currently trying to break above it. We have not broken the key level yet. I shared with you in the previous video update that the $4.57 level is the level that must hold to keep the orange scenario alive, which means orange count, yeah. Again, they are both likely going to lead to the same outcome, which is another high. But in the orange scenario, the initial decline was just an A wave. The move up now is a B wave, basically a corrective rally in the correction. And when the A wave is a three-wave move, the B wave can be quite aggressive. And then we could get a C wave decline before we go higher. But this support area should hold, so between $3.11 and $3.51. For now, it's holding. And however, to confirm the start of a C wave down, we should see the price break below $3.96. And if we get any break above $4.57, then this would be a little bit high for a B wave. And we would need to consider maybe that we're in a direct breakout. That would be the yellow scenario. Remember, we're dealing with probably with a diagonal structure to the upside. So the fifth wave should be an ABC structure. Did get a few questions about that today. We discussed it in our member live stream, in which the idea is that, well, this move up in the bullish count could be an A wave. So we cannot really rely on the development of a 5-wave move to confirm to us that the next leg up has begun. Because if it's an ABC structure, the A wave can be 3 waves or 5 waves. So it will literally depend on the structure of the next pullback that we can distinguish between these two potentials. Or if we get 5 waves up, it would be more clearly the yellow scenario instead of orange. But really, is it really so important? This is literally just noise, because the idea is we go higher, and especially higher as long as we're holding that $3.11 level. We did test this support area already on the 24th of July. That was on Thursday. Maybe we can get another test, but I have to say, with a high B wave like that, with an overshooting B wave, the C wave down, if it happens, might never break below the A wave low. So we might never break below the Thursday low and could stay above $3.51. So overall, the forecast is for higher prices. $4.57 is next resistance. The orange B wave is basically full. Could get a few more upside squiggles. But if we get a break above $4.57, it's too high for that orange B wave. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, I invite you to join us on X for additional updates. You can find on our X profile additional updates, analysis, videos, and much more. I'll leave a link in the video description and comment section. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.